Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So this is another vlog for another day. Um, I don't have much going on. I'm going to tell you it's going to be a boring day today. I have some stuff that I want to get done like always. I never get it all done. But today I am going to finish the transferring onto leather. Yesterday's didn't go as well as I wanted it to go because the leather was so dark that when I transferred, it just didn't show up like I wanted it to. And I really don't know what would show up on like that black. And I don't really have leather right now to transfer on. But it works. So I'm trying something else. I'm just going to put up a small video about that today. Um, and, just normal stuff, doing some art stuff and that kind of stuff. Uh, I might start getting my nephew's. I took all his T-shirts from when he was little till now, and I want to make like a blanket for him. And I cut them all out and all that kind of stuff, but I have to pin them and then I have to back them so I could sew them. Blah blah blah. So I might do that today. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that's it. I'm working on this. I was just sitting painting, going over an old canvas. So I'm doing her. We watched Brightburn last night. I think that's what it was called, and it was all right. It was entertaining enough. Not how I don't even know what I thought it was going to be, but if you like supernatural, and it was, they said it was horror, but it wasn't. I mean, I guess to some point, but it was good enough. It was only an hour and a half, so it went fast, and it was good. Good to watch. So if you get an opportunity and you like that kind of thing, watch it. And if you do or you did see it, let me know down below what you guys thought. Um, Getting some more stuff like organized in here. I wish my phone switched so I can show you switch that way and then back kind of thing, but it doesn't do that. So I'll have to show you what I started to do. I got some stuff in from Deco Art. They sent me to try out. So I got some of those paints up there to do and some of their stuff. And of course I have my plaid stuff and I'm just kind of organizing a little bit. Maybe I'll do some die cutting today. I also want to clean off my desk and put down brown craft paper like I used to do, but I need to like clean off, but I have like stuff everywhere, you know what I mean? And I got to do the back table again because that's where I tend to throw everything. So I really need to do that. And yeah, so I will be back. I'm going to finish doing this video and then we'll be back and see what we're going to do. Okay, so let me just show you what I did. There was no way I was going to be able to record it. This is my table where I sit, and what I did was I took some brown packaging paper, like we mail our stuff that people buy off of eBay and whatnot, and I did my whole table where I work. And one of the reasons is you guys keep messaging me about my nails, and you guys want to see how to do the polygels. So I thought, okay, I'll do it. I'll take like this off and do it. And this way you'll be able to see better. I also am going to we're going to start doing the clay doll. And I want you guys to be able to see better. And that way, then whatever painty paper it ends up, I can rip it up and use it. But now I got to figure out a place for all that, which was on here, which most of it's coming back. But that's what I've been doing. And then yesterday I did this. And like I said, it's hard to record me doing this. So as you can see, here is the Deco Art that they sent me. It's the multi-surface, which you guys know I've been using the plaid folk art multi-surface, which I love. So we're going to see what that's like. And then I have like my stuff up here. They sent me some of the media and the triple thick. And then I have my old Liquitex and stuff that I used, folk art, and then some stamp pads, that mess. And then over here is where if you remember, I started doing my paints, hanging them, and I have to go get more. stuff. And then I have that where I usually keep most of my ink pads, but lately it's been a catch-all. So I gotta clean that out. Probably not today. Like I said, right now it's gonna be figuring that out. And then I got an extra cup for like my scissors and stuff because it was jammed tight. It's amazing how much stuff. So I'm hoping that this reads well on camera. I might grab, I don't know, I might grab a non-stick mat or one of my Mod Podge pink mats. I don't know. I haven't quite decided to work on when I'm, you know, when I'm kind of doing heat stuff or something I need to be non-sticky, which I don't do too much of. So I don't know. I'm going to figure that out. But yeah, I'm excited to do that. Let me show you this. I've showed this before. I love my little, wait a minute, my little doll head with her little purple bow. So I was going to cut her head off and make it a planter for Emily. I haven't quite decided. I also have to do a video on how to make doll mold heads, which I'll be doing too. I have all my list. And the funny thing is, my list is under here. So I have all the requests. Yeah, so that is what I have been doing. I have been, like I said, trying to figure out a little bit of a way to organize myself. And I'm quite happy with that because if you would have saw it prior, you would have been like, girl, come on. And I have a little bit of room over there. Those are the empty paint printer cartridges I have to take to Staples, but they changed their policy. You can only do so many at a time. And I don't know. So they're sitting there. I have to give them to Dave. So then I'll have that little bit of stuff. And then I still have to go through all this, which I just don't know. Anyway, that's where I'm at. Hope I didn't make you spinny. I have some good keto recipes coming up. I'm very excited. I'll probably do on my vlogs or whatever, or maybe a different video for those interested. I got asked, somebody had watched my vlog from, was it last week? And said, oh, I didn't know that you were vlogging. You know, I didn't see you put it on Facebook. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just make it and put it up and I figure whoever wants to watch it will watch it. As you know, you can go and click the notification bell down below. You subscribe and then click that notification bell and then it'll come up and notify you when I upload. So a lot of the times I don't spread my vlogs or if it's a specific video for somebody. Because they know I'm going to be putting it up if they requested it. So I don't put it all over Facebook and all. I'll try to remember to, but really it's nothing, you know, it's not like an art video or anything. It's just more me talking about my life, if that makes sense. So let me know what you guys think about that. If you want me to start reminding you guys that I put a vlog up, I don't know. So yeah, so that's where I'm at. So now I'm going to try and get to this and see what I can do. So I'll be back. Okay, so I've got a painting going on here. I'm just sitting playing, but you could see, let me stand up. It is much better. I got some of my stuff. I got cleaned up, somewhat organized. A few things I'm like, well, what am I going to do with those? I added another cup back there for scissors and whatnot. Oh my goodness, I was choking on my own spit. Anyway, so you can see, and you'll see in videos. Now, one thing I did, and I'm not sure if it was a good idea or not, I had extra of the paper. I'm all over the place because my phone, the holder, wait 1 second. The holder's, 1 second. I don't know if that's loosening or tightening. Let's see. Okay. The thing wasn't held tight. So there you go. So you can see a lot better. You can see I added another piece of paper on top. I'm not real sure if I dig it or not. And after I did it, I was like, oh shoot, when I go to take it off, it's going to rip the paper underneath. Because I thought, oh, I want to paint, but I don't want it to be too messy. This way I can lift it off. I wasn't thinking. Which, you know, at the end of the day, I can always put more down if I have to. But I did like the whole full thing. Anyway, that is where I'm at. I just drew on here. This is that abstract that I did on the wood, which the more I looked at it, I hated. So I was like, I'm going to paint over it and paint this. So it just adds texture and color in the background. I'm going to sand a bit of it off so you can see that can come through. What was that? I thought I heard noise. Oh my God, I'm choking so bad now. So I just have my gesso and my skin color that I mixed for her face. And I have this piece of paper that has been floating around forever. And I thought, well, I'm going to add it on here. So I want to do like a spiritual kind of painting kind of thing. I don't know if she'll be an angel or not. I cannot quite decide. But I think I'm going to put spiritual on there and do some things. I don't know. We'll see. I want it to be like green and a little bit of the red. Maybe mute the red out a little bit with some gold. I don't know. Make it kind of, I don't know. But it's going to be a big head. And yeah, so that is what I have going on there. I have loads of paintings I really have to finish. But I keep getting on to different things to do. Like I'm like, oh, I got to clean this. Oh, I have to do this. So we'll see. I didn't even really do a video today. And I was going to do this on video. I don't know. Maybe I will and just do like a speed through. I don't know. I'm just kind of painting and doing it. Who knows? You might see this as a video tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, so that's kind of where I started. And back there is my creativity and my crystal and you know. So I have a little bit of room to like chinook around, which I might. I don't know. But that's where I'm at. That's what I did. And you will see it. I got my head there. I'm going to do a mold video. And I really want to do an art journal page. I haven't done one in a while, and I just feel like sitting and playing. So I might end up doing that at some point too. Dinner, I have no idea. I haven't thought that far. And I mean, it's only 1:30. We've been up early today and got early start. So it seems like it's a lot later, but it's not. It's like 1:30. So I'll see you when I do something exciting. Maybe I'll throw the camera on. I don't know. All right. Okay, so I've been sitting here painting all day. I did do videos of me doing this. This is as far as I got, though. I have 2 videos that I could put up. And I just clear gessoed it. And let's see. So yeah, so I clear gessoed her, and now I'm just waiting for that to fully dry so I can go in and shade the face a little bit and do something with the hair, put some stars or something. I don't know. But that is it. My desk is still somewhat clean. I got paint everywhere. Waiting to play. So I hope you guys enjoy me just putting it up and just kind of blabbing and talking. Nothing too fantastical. But I hope you guys have a great day. I love you guys. Thanks for watching these. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. And just love you guys. And I will try to vlog and see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!